figure I'd make this short video. If you're having electrical issues on your E39, this is a 2002 530i. Yeah, I couldn't get the seats back, so I cut the carpet. I drilled a couple holes down in there. You can kind of see the daylight right there, and she's still dripping out. But I would say that's the problem. These 3 wires are broke loose, and those 3 wires down there broke loose. This is your, I think, power distribution block under the front, under the carpet they call it. So I'm getting on eBay and I'm gonna get a used one. But this car ran great, and it had electrical gremlins. So the previous owner said he had changed this module under the dash. I think this is your lights module. But it controls a lot of things. I think the windows and all that. So, and he said that fixed it a while, and then it parked again, and that's why he sold it to me. So I ordered one off eBay, and it seemed like it did something. I had the car running around the yard and all that, but it still had some electrical gremlins. None of the dash lights and none of that'll work. The key will turn on, the engine light and battery light and all that'll turn on, but none of the dash lights, none of that. Windows don't work, seats don't work. I didn't want to cut the carpet, but you can always replace the carpet. I would have never got these things out unless I found the wire code to power the seat, and I didn't want to do all that. So, yep, beautiful down there. I'd say that's it. Y'all have a blessed day.